Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a versatile and comprehensive social media platform that offers a vast library of high quality content for creative professionals. Whether you are a filmmaker, graphic designer, or content collector, Storyblocks provides an impressive selection of stock photos, videos, music, and source effects to enhance your projects. One of the standout features of Storyblocks is its subscription model, which grants user unlimited access to their expansive collections at a flat rates. This pricing structure makes such a cost-effective solution for individuals or teams who require regular access to diverse media assets without breaking the bank. So let's see the pricing. Here we have for individuals $50 per month, be it monthly, annually. Wait, this is $50 for annually, and you can also use the monthly. So 5 total monthly downloads, HD photos, music, photo, pictures, and illustrations. The $13 per month has unlimited access, unlimited downloads, HD footage, 4K footage, After Effects templates, music and sound effects, photos, vectors, illustration. The Pro for $35, unlimited downloads, and all what this plan have. The unlimited all access and added to Storyblocks plugins for Adobe Creative Cloud's access to Maker. Wait, no, they have all of this now available in Premiere Pro and After Effects. So after upgrading, this will be available. So those are the plans. So how to join? You click on join now. You create an account or you sign up with Google. Choose your Google account. Then you will have to choose the plan. So plans like we said, the 15, the 30, the 35. Those are the plans. So the platform is user-friendly and interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing users to quickly find and download their desired. So the search functionality is robust, allowing precise filtering based on resolution, orientation, duration, and other criteria. Furthermore, the advanced search options help streamline the creative process by enabling users to discover related content and explore created collection. So let's look for a video for the ocean. No, just the ocean. So those are some videos. How many pages? 99 pages. Each page show. This is the total I won't be counting. We have 82,000 videos about the ocean and in high quality. So you better find what's real. Oh, wait. It's a filter. Let's now just check the 4K. We have 61,000 4K video of the ocean. So another notable aspect of Storyblocks is the quality of its media library. The platform hosts a wide range of professional grade content with a particular emphasis on authenticity and relevance. The stock photos and videos features diverse subjects, getting settings, and demography, catering to a broad range of creative needs. Moreover, Storyblocks offers a dedicated marketplace for contributor, empowering artists and filmmakers to share and monetize their work. This approach ensures continuous influx of fresh and unique content, keeping the platform up to date and inspiring. So those are some videos of the ocean, night, day, waves, and life under the ocean. Next to a cliff, we have a lighthouse there, and 99 other pages where you can see the ocean, all his type we have here. So it's a 4K. Don't ask why it's too long to load the picture or the video. Here we have in Sydney. Around the world, you can put a specific place where it shows the ocean. Is it with people, ice, or the frozen ocean? Is there any frozen ocean? I don't know. You can set the duration, the frame rates, the idea, use rights, media details. So how to buy? You click on the picture you like, the video or the footage you like. You choose the quality. 4K will be okay. Let's choose this 4K. Imagine 2 gigabytes for 30 seconds. This will be the highest quality for now. Even movies can't do this. So subscribe to download. You can't download one by one. And recommended music for this clip. You can't check the clip without the music. And you will check the clip with the music if you subscribe. So in summary, Storyblocks is a reliable and affordable resource for accessing a wide range of top quality stock medias. With its extensive library, user-friendly interface, and subscription-based model, it has become a go-to platform for creative professionals seeking to elevate their projects with engaging visual music and sound effects. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.